Nomad, nomad, nomad. We love you. We all love you. We love your cocktails. We love your food. It is time to stop hiding secrets from us. It is time to share the joys of what you have for us with us while we're stuck in our houses and cannot be stuck at your bar. What am I talking about? I am talking about the recipe to Jenn's tattoo. Yes, that is one of the most popular ones on the menu. Hightower and Jenn's tattoo, those are the two most popular drinks there. They're so similar in recipes. Why don't you tell us the measurements? Tell us. What's in it? Tell us. I want to know. But until you tell me, I got to figure it out myself. So let's do it together. I'm scared. Okay. See? This is how scared I am. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So, first of all, it is a vodka-based cocktail. So, I am not a big fan of vodka. I love tequila. I like rum. I love gin. Whiskey, no, it doesn't like me. Vodka, I don't like it. Let's talk. I don't like vodka. I don't like the taste of it. It tastes like rubbing alcohol. No offense, but you do. It tastes like rubbing alcohol. So I like cocktails that are vodka based, that you don't taste the vodka. So every review that I have read, and from what I remember from tasting this cocktail, you don't taste the vodka. It's very, very, it's not like sugary sweet, but it's sweet. So that's what scares me. Because what I'm thinking is I'm going to do the same measurements as the Hightower, but with the ingredients I have for Jenn's tattoo. But I don't want to put 2 ounces of vodka because I'm scared. Should we start with 1.5 ounces? Or should I just be big girl and put... I'm just going to do the 2 ounces because this is literally the only alcohol that's in the cocktail. And I don't think any Disney cocktail has just 1.5 ounces of alcohol. Like, that's it, nothing else. I don't think one single cocktail has just that. You might as well give that to kids. That's so weak. Don't sue me. It's just weak for me. Fine. We'll just do it. Fine. All right. So we're going to do 2 ounces of vodka. The real 2 ounces, not the Food Network 2 ounces. If you don't know that joke, oh, you are missing out on a fun little meme and a cocktail. Oh, we love Sandra Lee. Look her up. All right, so then after that, they have watermelon juice as well. So I have my watermelon juice. Hightower was 2 ounces, so that's what we are going to do. Let me work on my diction. What we are going to do. 2 ounces of watermelon juice, freshly squeezed watermelon juice. So the next ingredient is 1 ounce of sour mix for Hightower. For Jenn, it is hibiscus. I have hibiscus tea. Do you know how many little leaves I had to steep to get this color? The one from Trader Joe's. I had to steep a lot of teas. I'm not using a whole bag for like a little bit of tea. So I steeped like almost 10 for this. 10, yeah. Not, well, you know, for a little bit of a bigger batch, like I'm supposed to save like a cup. So whatever. We're gonna do 1 ounce of hibiscus tea. Wait, yeah, 1 ounce of hibiscus tea. So nervous I am. I'm talking too much. And then we're going to do a half ounce of lime juice. Okay, I want it to taste good. That's why I'm nervous. And that's it. That's it. Those are the ingredients I found. That's it. So we're gonna put in the ice, and we're just gonna see what the hell happens. Alrighty. You saw that, right? You saw that, right? Okay. shake it up. Alrighty, here we go. Alrighty, here we go. Yeah, I don't have the proper glass, but this is the glass I have. It's pretty. It looks like it. It looks like it. All right, let's put in the straw. Moment of truth. Let's see how I did. Oh my God. Okay, I was about to say I did it right, but I taste the vodka. Not too much though. Not too much though. I tasted where I know there's vodka in there for sure, but I'm not like, you know, okay. I still think there's an ingredient missing. Or maybe my hibiscus tea isn't strong enough, because it reminds me of the high tower, but just with vodka instead of tequila. And the high tower, I don't taste tequila at all. But also we have the sour mix. That's a really powerful ingredient. Okay, let's try something. I have more hibiscus. Let's see what happens. Alrighty. Excuse me. Okay, let's see how it goes. That's better. That's a lot better. Oh my God, that is so much better. You don't get that like that vodka aftertaste, like after you take the sip and then you can taste what alcohol is in there. You don't get that. That's so much better. Oh my God, so I technically did it right. I mean, it took 2 tries, but I technically did it right. Okay. So that means it was 2 ounces of the hibiscus. So 2 vodkas, 2 watermelon, 2 hibiscus, and just a half of lime juice. That's what it is. Yes, I think that's what it is. Yes, what it is. Okay. Because it's sweet, but not too sweet. Yes, I approve. I did it. I approve. I did it. I'm taking this victory. I'm taking it. I'm taking it to the bank, and I'm taking it in my lips. And speaking of, get off my lipstick. Yes, okay. So here is Jenn's tattoo from my home. From my home and your home, Disney World, Animal Kingdom, Nomad Lounge. We did it. I did it. We did it. I hope you guys make this cocktail and enjoy countdowns to when it reopens. And until then, we have something to keep us company.